You like that? That good? Yummy. Blah. Eat the oats.
Yummy, huh?
How good is that? Is it good? You want more? Oh, you're making a mess.
You're wearing it, pal. You don't get fat by being a sloppy eater.
Is that good? Brendo, Brendo, won't you be my friendo? Is that good? You were laughing before.
So oatmeal is better than rice.
It's yummy, right? Oh. Caught on video, huh? That was like everything that you ate. Oh, this is so good. How yummy is this? You like the oats, huh? They're delicious. It's probably good.